guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, since we all are literally in our houses feeling like we have nothing else better to do, I decided to show you guys while I'm being quarantined a fun little quick easy tutorial on how to do or get your hair from looking like this, which is I literally came out the shower, slept with my hair wet, and I opened it, and this is literally what it looks like. So today I want to show you guys how I take my hair from this to long hair with clip-in extensions added. First, what I'm gonna do is straighten my hair, of course. So I'm going to section it off. Whatever way is easier for you. I'm just gonna try to make this as easy as possible. For those who have short hair, even long hair actually, it's better to start closer to the nape of your head, so that's meaning the very bottom. So the smaller the sections, the more you cover up the little curls. So obviously you should brush your hair. Right after I came out the shower, I usually put a heat protectant spray because I know that I'm gonna straighten my hair sometime throughout the 2 days that I'm gonna be out and about. But so usually what I spray it with is I spray it with a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. It's literally, I think, only $6 from your local drugstore. And so you can just like apply it all over your hair while your hair is damp, blow it out, and then once you blow it out, I didn't blow it out with a brush, I just like air dried it with the blow dryer, but whichever way works for you, it works. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna comb out my hair. My hair is curly and tangled, so it'll be easier for me to straighten it. Just like this. Also, I should probably brush my hair. Oh, my hair gets so tangled. But thank God it's soft because I do use Olaplex, which saves my life. I also put serum in my hair from Kevin Murphy, which is my fave. Life-changing. So this is the last section that I have, so I'm just gonna show you guys literally how I finish it. One thing that I realized about my hair is that I just got a haircut, so it's like pretty blunt. So sometimes when you are adding clip-ins into your hair, I feel like you can run into the problem of there being short pieces versus long pieces. I know that I always usually run into that, and sometimes people have told me like the back of your head doesn't blend. So either I cornrow 2 rows of the back of my head, so it's just like a little snake, and I just braid it up. And then that way, when I do apply my clip-ins underneath my hair, the short pieces will not show when my hair is down. So usually what I do is like, when I'm done straightening my hair, my favorite thing to do is put oil. Everyone who knows me knows that I'm an oil lady, and I love to put oil in my hair, especially since my hair is super frizzy and curly, since you guys saw that side of me. And the fact that I'm like comfortable coming on camera is wild, because I swear if this was me like a few years ago, I would never do this or show anyone what my hair looks like out the shower. I'm gonna put some more oil. I don't put too much, I just put so little. Just comb it through with my hands, making sure it gets everywhere, especially the bottoms. I like when my ends have oil. That's where you should apply it most. You should not. One rule is never take the oil and just put it on your scalp, because that's how you're gonna get oily hair. I usually like to get 2 different colored extensions. One's more ashy and the other one's more warm and golden. And I just mix it up, and it just gives a good blend to my hair. Obviously, you would go based off your own judgment with your own hair. This is mine. There's a lot of clips in here, and I'll show you guys how I do this whole process. So basically what I do is I take a really small section in the very back of my head. Definitely don't know. This weather is freaking me out. It's like apocalypse weather. It's like some crazy shit's about to go down. While I'm filming, that would be some shit. Oh my god. I've never seen it rain like this. Well, rain like this with the news combined is like scary. I'm gonna show you guys, there's a little small section that I took. It's better to take smaller sections, especially with the bottom if you want a better blend. And I'm gonna take a 2-piece extension. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tease my hair ever so slightly. This will help you get a better grip of the clip. So the clip on the extension is gonna go where the teasing portion is, which is at here. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm so freaked out. Anyways, take these clips and just put it in. But before we do that, I like to use hairspray. I'm using the Tresemme Extra Firm Control, literally one of my favorites. I don't know why I just stuttered on that one, but literally my favorite because it's a hold, but it's not like super, like it's not like crunchy firm. So I'm gonna spray this on the clip. And then you're gonna take the clip and apply it directly on over the part that you teased at the root of your hair. I'm gonna take it and clip it in. And literally, if someone wants to fight you or something and they want to pull out your hair, this isn't going anywhere. So now that I did the first section, I'm gonna take another one using my rat tail comb. I like to go from like mid-ear to mid-ear, maybe a little bit lower than mid-ear, only just because my hair is short, so it blends. The blend is a little bit more difficult. Those of you guys who have long hair, it's easier to blend in, so you guys can take like a thicker section. I don't know what the heck the back of my head looks like. What I'm gonna do again is I'm gonna tease all throughout. So now the clip size that I'm gonna use is the 3. So first I use the 2 clips. It's 1 hair with 2 clips I use on the very bottom. Then I proceed with 3 clips, and what I do is I put hairspray on it, directly on the hair clip. And then I'm gonna clip it directly at the root of my hair. So I'm gonna put the clip-ins in that have the 4 clips around, because the size of it obviously fits better around this part of your head. And I like to apply that in the middle, in the center of my head, because I feel like when it's higher up, you're more likely to see the little bumps coming from the parts that don't have the clip. So, like I said before, tease your hair. Sometimes my hair is really soft right out the shower, so I like to put some hairspray. Making sure you're teasing to the very root. Usually what I like to do when it comes to blending is curl my hair. It's one option. Or low key, sometimes what I do if I'm really running out the house and moving quick, I take like the pieces that are really short, that are all underneath my hair. I like twist it and I take a small rubber band and I make it into the smallest bun. And because I have so much hair, sometimes you don't see the little bun that's sticking out. So weird. If someone were to like open up my hair, I feel like they would see that little ball. So awkward. Very awkward. But yeah, that's one little life hack that I have with having short hair and long extensions, is tying it up in the back if you don't have the time to cornrow your hair. And if you want, you can move it closer. I like to leave like maybe an inch or half an inch away, just so that you can see a little bit of the face frame. And if you want to put your hair up, it's not like in the way of your hairline. I know that you can see the front. You can see these little short pieces, but I will fix it towards the end when it comes to blending the hair. So now after I do these 2 rows, I head to the back and I take a little thicker section because this is the only one that's going on the back of my head. So I'm basically almost done here. I just have 2 more tracks to go to clip in. So I'm just gonna show you guys where I position these 2 clips. I think it's really important when you are doing clip-ins to know where you're gonna position it, because the lower you position it, it's not gonna be a good blend. So the higher you put the clips, the more you'll have a better blend. So I usually like to work up higher. This is what my hair looks like from the side. I want to put the fronts of my hair behind my ears. It does blend pretty well, as you can see. Just to make sure, I'm going to put some bend and some light curls into my hair to get a better blend. So you can see it looks like beach waves. And what I like to do is, once I'm done, as the oil queen that I am, is take a little bit more of the Bumble defrizz and just put very little, super little. Rub your hands together and just comb these curls out so you can maintain some shine. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the hair accessories that I do make and sell. Hair accessories should be affordable, cute, and not so expensive. Some brands, like, you're not gonna pay $150 for a hair clip. I'm sorry, like, no one's gonna really want to do that unless you're, you know, sitting on dough. But other than that, I just want to create something that's cute and affordable and different. But I also just designed some new hair accessories for the spring collection. And I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like. This is a really cute headband. It's rose gold. This one is rose gold. And you just put in the center of your hair. Light blue. You could wear them one on this side. And you could literally pull this look off in so many different ways. Just pin them. We also have, which is my favorite, rose gold version of the headband. And I like to wear it where I have two or one on each side. Another style that we do offer is these type of clips. For more tips and tricks on how to do different hairstyles, not only hairstyles but braids as well, please subscribe to my channel to see what else we will have in store.